Welcome to our YouTube channel, Danny and his dad. Hi, I'm Danny, and this is my dad, Gideon. We're going to take you along with all the random projects and repairs we do at home and at work.
From small projects to installing large equipment, that is what this channel is about. A lot of the answers to the how-to can be found here on YouTube. Our intention is to post a new video every 2 weeks that we may help in giving an answer to your how-to question. We also intend to keep our videos less wordy and more visual. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and hit the like button if this has been a help to you.
My dad can do amazing things! He can also build Legos! Click that subscribe button, smash that bell, turn on all those notifications.
Hey, what are you going to say?
I love my dad!
What about Grandpa?
I love my grandpa too.
Which one do you love more?